Are you a busy manager trying to keep a fleet of vehicles on the road operating at their highest capacity? Are frequent accidents and underperforming drivers giving you a headache? If yes, let's talk about fleet dash cameras and why they might be the aspirin you need. Fleet dash cameras are like having an extra set of eyes on the road. They can document every hiccup, close shave, break-ins, and full-blown fender bender, providing crucial evidence when it's time to chat with insurance. Make sure the logo on the side of your vehicles is protected from any false claims or drivers behaving poorly behind the wheel representing your prized business. But dashcams aren't just useful for dealing with crashes, they can also monitor your driver's behavior. Think of it like teaching your teenager how to drive, but instead of biting your nails in the passenger seat, you can help promote safer driving habits for your fleet from afar. Finally, a fleet dash camera with built-in GPS tracking, like our Lana dashcam, can improve fleet efficiency, providing insights into route optimization, fuel efficiency, and vehicle maintenance. So, are you ready to better manage your fleet and make life on the road a little less bumpy? Consider a dashcam solution to tackle your fleet's challenges. Visit orderlana.com to purchase yours today.